At a time when energy prices are going through the roof, smart people are taking steps to save energy, driving less, buying energy-efficient cars and appliances, and caulking and weather stripping as much as possible. But a huge energy waster is right in your own home, right under your feet, your vented dirt crawl space. By actual research, you can save as much as 15 to 20% on your heating and cooling bills by fixing your vented dirt crawl space. Now you see this vent here? This vent is one of many underneath this home. In the winter, it lets freezing cold air underneath this house. And when you have freezing cold air underneath your house, it's in your house and it's costing you more and higher heating costs. To make matters worse, this homeowner tried to insulate, in this case with styrofoam insulation, but oftentimes it's fiberglass insulation, but it just doesn't work because it doesn't seal to the floor very well. And you have cold floors upstairs, it's uncomfortable, and look at this, a hot air heat duct. So we burn fossil fuels to create heat, we blow it through a sheet metal duct that's running right by a freezing cold vent. It just doesn't make any sense. And in the summertime, this vent is letting hot, humid air into your crawl space, and that's causing condensation all over everything, adding to your air conditioning load and increasing your air conditioning cost as well. When we first developed the CleanSpace system in 1999, heating oil was $1.69 a gallon. Now it's $4.69 a gallon. Natural gas was $2.80 per 1,000 cubic feet. Now natural gas for heating is $9.50. CleanSpace has never paid for itself so fast. If an average 2,900 square foot home costs $3,400 a year to heat and cool, and if you saved 18%, you'd save $612 a year. That means just based on heating and cooling cost alone, you'd save enough to pay for the CleanSpace system in 5 to 8 years. Now, each home savings will be different, but clearly this is low-hanging fruit when it comes to saving money on energy costs. But that's not all you'll save. You will avoid mold remediation costs and the cost of replacing rotted wood, which could be a lot more than the whole CleanSpace system costs. And consider your property value. When you go to sell your home, it's worth more with a CleanSpace system instead of a dirty, messy, moldy, energy-wasting crawl space. More and more people are concerned about their impact on the environment. Fixing your crawl space has a very positive environmental impact. Maybe this is meaningful to you and maybe not, but consider this. 1,000 years ago, there were 310 million people on Earth, and it took 300 years for the population to double. Now, there is over 6.6 billion people, and the 1960 population doubled in just 38 years. What we each do as individuals to consume more or less resources makes a difference. And one concept of efficiency is that doing it once consumes less resources than doing it over and over. At 20 mils thick, with antimicrobial and UV protection, CleanSpace is durable enough to last as long as the home does. Doing it once is better for the environment, consumes less resources, and costs you less. CleanSpace is not an expense, but an investment that pays for itself. And CleanSpace is a green choice.